honored to be joined with a good friend, Randy Hinrichs from 2B3D, who has the best slogan in the entire industry.
Move photons, not people.
I love that. So Randy, you and I were talking earlier, what kinds of designs have to happen for this space to become really important and relevant and change the way we learn? And I've seen some of the work you've done with Ernst & Young and others. You want to share with our blog audience here some of the archetypes and designs you've been working on?
Yeah, the most important design aspect that I think that you can use to design really good educational sites is to get people involved in doing something like going into a warehouse and trying to figure out how to do an audit inventory like we did in Ernst & Young, or going into a high-performance trading floor like we did in Cisco, and get people to look at what would it be like to integrate Cisco products into the high-performance environment based upon the workflow that they have, and then replace that with Cisco products and watch how that workflow changes dramatically. Or in looking at dealing with post-traumatic stress disorder, teach the soldiers how to sleep, for example. Take something specific like how has your sleep been interrupted by all of the nightmares and the incidences you have, and go into a human body and look at the interactions of the human body. So inside the brain, you'd be looking at brain cells and how they are interacting with choices. If you smoke, is that a sleep inhibitor? And as that's moving through your brain, should you choose to not smoke by looking at the interactions with the objects in the environment? Things like that.
Well, Randy, thanks for sharing your wisdom with us. And what's your website?
My website is 2b3d.net. It's easy to remember.
Move photons, not people.
Exactly.